Okay, so we are at one of the new metro stops in Herndon. There's so much development going on around this part. I wanted to give you all a quick walk around the metro station, and I want you to notice how close this metro stop is to all of this development. There's so many condos and apartments around here. I mean, this is going to be an incredible place to live, conveniently get to work, go over to the Reston Town Center area. I mean, this place is going to be quite amazing. But let's just walk over to the metro stop so you can kind of get an idea. I mean, they are developing like crazy around this development. I actually just finished filming a new construction walking tour for Stanley Martin property that's a couple blocks away from here. It'll be a little short walk, but very much walkable. So this is the Innovation Center station, and I gotta say, this is a great location for a metro stop. You know, it's rare that you see metro stops that are within walking distance of your front door, right? And as you can see, there's some developments I parked right next to, and it didn't take me nothing but a couple minutes, not even a minute, to get over here. So just imagine your work day, right? You wake up 6 o'clock, go to the gym, eat yourself some breakfast, and you are 3 minutes away, less than 5 minutes away from the Innovation Center station. I mean, can you really beat that? Huh? Can you? Check that out. Check that out. Look how quick that was. This video is going to be a short one, right? Innovation Center Station, Silver Line to Largo Town Center, Silver Line to Ashburn. I love these bridges that they've been building for these stations. They're pretty cool. But yeah, you got your little kiss and ride area there. You got more developments right over there. You got some luxury apartments right down the street here. Plenty of parking as well. The Innovation Center station, right? I think it's nice that they're putting so much development right next to the little walking bridge to the metro station, making it super convenient for people to get from their homes or from their cars, right? I imagine there are going to be a lot of people parking and using this complex right here. But yeah, when will this station be finished? When will it be complete? We'll know when we know, right? We'll know when we know. So you may be asking yourself, you know, who would live out towards this part, right? Well, for the most part, if you're working in the Dulles Tech corridor, you'll love living over here. If you have to catch a lot of international flights out of Dulles Airport, you'll love living over here. If you're looking for new construction, condos or townhouses, and you still want to be around the Reston area, you'll love living over here. I'm pretty sure in this immediate area, the demographics are going to be a little bit younger. So it's a possibility that more young professionals will enjoy living over here. Once the metro's up and running, I gotta say, this is going to be a bustling area. Bustling area. Look at that, they got 2 buildings going up right there. We can go walk around. I don't see a sales center. Oh, you know what? I think that's just one building. I don't see a sales center, so this may just be luxury apartments. Here's the parking lot for the metro station. There's so much development going on in Northern Virginia right now. More development. That's that luxury apartment complex I told you about. Station on Silver, future resident parking. Okay, so I guess that's the name of this place, Station on Silver. Looks like it's going to be another luxury rental complex. Let's just take a look at this place. Massive development. All right, so that's it for today's little walking tour. I hope you enjoyed it. If you're looking to move near Innovation Center Station Metro stop, my contact information is down below. You can also fill out the Perfect Home questionnaire. Once you fill out that questionnaire, we'll schedule a time to meet online via Zoom. I will see you on the next video. Peace.